I don't know if I'm ready. I have waited so long for this. You guys have no idea how long. Oh my god. I've waited more than a year for this exact item. Oh my god. Today I'm gonna be testing out a product. I've known about it for so long, but I was not able to purchase it. We're gonna open it first, and then I'm gonna share with you guys exactly what is going on here. Inside of this package is the world's mattest, flattest black paint in the world. Now, a lot of you guys are already like,
why is this cool? Like, why would I care?
You hyped this up and it's paint?
guys, please let me explain why this is so cool, okay? There it is. There it is, right there. It comes in bubble wrap. Black 2.0, the world's mattest, flattest black art material. Now, originally I was gonna call this video the world's blackest black. However, technically speaking, this right here is not the world's blackest black. There is a product out there called Vanta Black. Now, this was like designed by scientists for like satellites that are floating around in space. Now, Vanta Black will absorb 99.9% of light. It's so dark, it's so black, that when you hold it up in like a photo, it makes everything else look sort of cartoon. Vanta Black is worth more than diamonds and gold. It is that expensive to make this stuff. This is the next best thing. This was created by an artist called Stuart Semple. That's what it looks like. It comes in this bottle. Let me tell you a bit about the petty drama that is behind this product. When you go on the website to buy this, okay, when you go on Stuart Semple's website or you go on Amazon, it gives you the description of the product, and at the very bottom, there's a disclaimer. By adding this product to your cart, you confirm that you are not Anish Kapoor. You are in no way affiliated with Anish Kapoor. You are not purchasing this item on behalf of Anish Kapoor or an associate of Anish Kapoor. To the best of your knowledge, information, and belief, this material will not make its way into the hands of Anish Kapoor. Why? Why is this product made and that one guy, Anish Kapoor, is excluded from it? This goes back to Vanta Black. Vanta Black being the blackest black on earth right now. It was developed by this UK company. Now, this UK company only allows Anish Kapoor to use it for art exhibits, art installments, whatever he wants. Now, this pissed off the rest of the art community because luxury brands have been trying to get Vanta Black for watches, dashboards of cars, trying to really make this the next luxury item. He tried to purchase exclusive rights of Vanta Black, meaning nobody else can use this. Vanta Black isn't even a color. In fact, it's lack of color. You can't really touch it because it is extremely fragile. It looks like it's velvet, but the second you touch it, you'll actually ruin the effect of it all. So anyways, Stuart Semple's an artist, went and made Black 2.0. This is actually the second version. And he's like, okay, I'm gonna make this for everyone to use, the closest thing to Vanta Black, except Anish Kapoor. Stuart Semple also makes the world's pinkest pink. Somehow Anish Kapoor got a hold of the world's pinkest pink, put it all over his middle finger, and posted it on Instagram. Such a petty, like, artistic fight that's going on. I went to the art store and bought 4 identical little plaster of Paris donuts. I'm gonna be spray painting all of these different colors just to show you how matte and flat this color actually is. One of the donuts will be spray painted chrome gold. One of them will be spray painted matte black. I wanna see how much flatter and matter this paint is than the traditional matte black paint that's on the market right now. One of them will be spray painted satin black, and of course the last one will be painted with Black 2.0. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so the gold donut is pretty much dry. Now I got these guys drying. That is the satin black, and that is the matte black. This is the Black 2.0 acrylic paint. Apparently it smells good too. Let's just see what it looks like. It looks like normal black acrylic paint. I also bought some brushes as well, because you got to brush this on. I'm gonna have to let it dry now before flipping it over and doing the back side. All the donuts are actually drying. I want to show you guys another comparison here. Here we have Black 2.0. Here we have just a basic black acrylic paint right here as well. We're gonna do a line. Okay, the time has come. This is where we're gonna compare it. We got the ring light, so it's even lighting for every single one. That right there was our acrylic paint test comparison. Look at how gray that is versus like the one stroke. Like, it's such dark paint. First up, we got the gold donut. So it's actually bouncing off the light pretty heavily that the donut is almost looking too bright, but I'm not gonna change any of the camera settings. I wanna keep them all the same. Okay, with the same camera settings, this right here is the matte black. So this is the matte black stuff. It comes in spray paint, what is available on the market right now. It's a little gray. You can see it almost has like a chalkboardy look to it. This is matte black spray paint. Next up, we have the satin donut. So you can see this one has like a shine. It almost looks like a glazed donut. This one has shiny finish to it, but it's still black, okay? So in comparison with the matte, that's the difference. Both of these have 2 coats applied. We'll add in the gold donut. So there you have the 3 donuts. Now I think we're ready to show you Black 2.0, the world's maddest, flattest paint. Look at that. The exact same camera settings. Look at how dark that is. That is very, very dark. Here's the chrome donut beside it, okay? Here's the consumer like spray paint matte black that you'd get at the store. So you can see how much darker that is than the standard matte black. Satin, standard matte black you'd get in spray paint, and Black 2.0. Look at that, look how dark that is. That's unbelievable. This almost does have the velvety texture that Vanta Black has. Nothing. Now the downside of this, because there is a slight downside that I've noticed already. You'll notice the 3 other donuts, you can see the sprinkles on them, whereas the matte black one, because it's so flat, you kind of lose detail and everything. You really have to look for the sprinkles. So if you're applying this on anything with detail, you might lose the depth if you're looking at it straight on. Okay, so you guys have it. That is the Black 2.0 world's maddest, flattest acrylic paint. It was meant to be sort of a substitute to Vanta Black, which you cannot buy, which would be incredibly expensive even if you could. You guys can see that it has a pretty significant effect. Again, I wouldn't really use this if you have something with detail or curvature because you will lose that. I was super impressed. You guys can now get it on Amazon actually if you wanted to. This right here is what claims to be the world's maddest, flattest acrylic paint on the market. From my tests today, that 100% it is absolutely that. If you guys have made it this far in the video, because I know a lot of you guys tune out once the experiments are done. If you made it this far, congrats, thank you so much. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway actually for one of those donuts. So if you guys wanna enter, you'll get to choose any of those donuts. It could even be the Black 2.0 donut. I'll send it to you anywhere in the world. All you have to do is follow me over on Instagram and comment a donut emoji on my latest photo. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later. Oh, that was weird. No. It's see you guys later.